Yo, what it do, 360 gang? It's your boy 360 Cam. And today, man, finna go shoot something up. We finna go shoot some shit up. Yeah, I'm out here in the field. Y'all see we in the field with it. So I'm finna get everything together, man. I'm mainly gonna be shooting my Glock 30S today. Cause I ain't really even brought my Glock 30S out here to the field. Yeah, I ain't really even did it. So today we gonna do it, and I got something for y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We out here in the field. Say what's up, babe.
What's up?
Yeah. Y'all see that little pumpkin I got right there? Oh, it ain't little. It ain't little. Yeah, that's a fat one. All right, y'all finna see. I'm already sweating, man. I'm already sweating. That's crazy. But yeah, it's hot out. I ain't even gonna lie to you. They got them things on. Hold it for me, babe. Yeah, we ready. All right, my Glock. Ooh, ooh, Glock 30S. You know, oh, a little dirty. Don't mind that. Don't mind that. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Watch this. All right, y'all. Like I said, got them hollows in there. 13 rounds. Nothing in the head. We finna see what this finna do to that motherfucking pumpkin. Good. Ooh. Ooh, let's face it like that now. Come on, get back, get back. Get back, get back. Aim the dead center. Let's see what I can do.
Wait. You gotta get back where you was. Yeah.
All right, y'all. Well, that was 3 rounds. I got 10 more to go. Let's see what we can do. I ain't gonna lie, boy. I'm a little rusty out here today. Boy. That motherfucker got ate up, though. Good.
Happy Halloween.
Baked bean can? Baked bean can? Baked bean can? Don't want to sit up? Let me show you something, babe. Look at this. Boy, y'all see them? Good. Them 4.5s not playing with them. Them 4.5s not playing. Good. All right, y'all. Some spear dots, some little extras I'm finna just unload. See if I can hit that bush can. For them, baby. I don't even think I hit the baked bean can. I think I hit the top of the. I missed, bro.
What for me?
Yeah, I ain't hit the baked bean can. I'm gonna have to run that one. But I hit right under it.
Okay.
All right, y'all. I probably say about 10 yards, maybe. What y'all think? 10 yards or something like that?
Let's see how the...
If I don't hit this can, boy, I'm tripping. I need to work on my aim out here.
Did you hit the can?
Nah, that was right under.
Again.
Oh yeah, them paint beans leaking now, boy. Just something for the bugs.
You're
Yeah.
gonna have fun with this.
I gotta be careful cleaning this up because I don't want to cut myself. I'm surprised that's the only hole, bro. I'm tripping. Oh, another one down here. There's another one down there, too. That one on right there. That shit leaking all on me. But yeah, the pumpkin. To the bottom. Ugh. Ugh. Not the pumpkin. The pumpkin held up, though, to the 4.5. I thought it was going to be, like, exploding.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be, like, going crazy. I'm about to fall. Woo. It's gonna fall out here. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be going more. I thought it was gonna do more. It didn't even. I missed a few shots. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But I wouldn't want that to be my head.
Nope. Thumbnail.
That 4.5 do some damage though.
Did you take a picture for your thumbnail?
Huh?
Did you take a picture for your thumbnail?
I still got these on like I'm sure.
Thumbnail with the caption.
Come on. Oh my Glock. Yeah, y'all, that was that. Y'all seen that 4.5 ACP versus that pumpkin. I'm about to film some more, but it ain't gonna be on. I done dropped the earmuffs. But yeah, man, I'm gonna film some more, but it's gonna be for another video. So y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, what y'all and comment what y'all think about this. First of all, oh Lord, I about lost my life. I done dropped them again. All right, first of all, y'all let me know what y'all think about my aim. I ain't gonna lie, it was trash today. It was off. I'm not gonna cap. Y'all can have that one. Second, let me know what y'all think about that pumpkin versus the 4.5 ACP. Let me know if y'all think I should hit it with the AR-15 or maybe the shotgun. All right, y'all, stay tuned. I'll be back.